Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your normal place where you learn about personal finance and career. And today we will be discussing or looking at 5 trends you need to watch out for or look out for as you invest or start your investment journey this year. All right, without much ado, before we go ahead, channel, thank you again for always coming by. And if you're new to the channel, I promise you would have one of the best informative value adding session here on this channel. All right, so do not forget to like this video, click on the subscription button and on the notification button so that you get information once I post new videos, and drop your comments if you have any questions that you would like me to answer regarding your personal finance or career. Okay, without much ado, let's quickly take a deep dive into the topic. All right, so the first thing you want to look at in terms of trends, right, happening in 2021 is that you want to look at the topic of cryptocurrency. Mark my words, I'm not saying just Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency out there. You have other cryptocurrencies out there. So you want to look at the world of cryptocurrency. But in this video, I'll use an example. I'll use the example of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin over the last year went up with around 305%, right? And I can tell you that I don't think it would go away based on what I've read, right? The researchers out there, the things that experts are saying, it will not go away. It has come here to stay. However, you want to not just, throw all your investment or all your money into it. Rather, you want to just keep an eye on it, drop some coins or some money there that might not really, be of so much effect to you, but just keep an eye on it. That's what I would say concerning, Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is too expensive for you, there are other coins or other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum that you can explore, right? So that's that. And then one of the reasons why I personally also believe that cryptocurrency is a trend to watch for 2021 is because one of the major trading platforms for cryptocurrencies filed secretly in December to go public. And you know what happens if that happens? Like, it would improve the credibility of cryptocurrencies. And also one of the big tech companies in the world is also working day and night to release their own cryptocurrency, right? So those are the things you want to watch out for, because you might say, okay, it's still far away. No, you will be surprised that before you know it, before you open your eyes, it's here, and regulators are going around and policies are being formulated, and before you know it, it's having more stand. So don't forget, keep an eye on it, and like I said, don't put all your investment into it. Just put things that that amount of money that would not so much hurt you in case anything goes south. Okay, that's that. So that's the first trend. Look out for cryptocurrency. The second trend would be, you want to look out for vaccine related stocks or shares, right? Why is that? So it's because COVID-19 I don't think COVID-19 is going to go away sooner than we expect, and that's because in the past days we've heard about mutations in several countries going on, which means that governments would be very careful in allowing their people to come out again or ease down the lockdown, and then it will create more demand for vaccines. And the companies who are producing vaccines, it means that it's more revenue for them, and then it also means more profit for them, right? So more value for them, and that's why you want to keep an eye on COVID-19 until a lot of people are vaccinated. Those stocks would always be or would continue to be interesting to build or to have. That's that about vaccine related stocks. The third trend you want to be looking at is the ethical investing trend, and that is the ESG stocks, or exactly ESG stocks. And those are for example, the sustainability stocks out there, or stocks of companies who have the appropriate governance, right? And we can see that we already have so much of it. Last year, for example, from the Black Lives Matter, right? And people even pushing more for female leaders on boards, you know. So people are more interested, or they are becoming more interested in terms of what is the governance of this company they are investing in. What is the governance like? You know, what are their sustainability practices? How are they contributing to global to climate change? Those are topics that will continue to stay in the front burner, especially for the Generation Z and the Generation Ys, the millennials, right? So you want to look at stocks and companies who are, you know, who are into that, and you want to take a look at them. And I believe, and also most experts out there, most researchers I've read said that will definitely continue to be a trend in 2021. The fourth trend I will be mentioning would be the trend of, you know, tech companies. Technology is here to stay, right? And it will continue to be a super trend or a mega trend, whatever you want to call it, right? And it has changed our lives totally in the past, especially in the past 1 year. I mean, companies just had to let their employees go and work from home. And that brings me to the point whereby, you know, not just general tech stocks that you should look out for, you should also look out for work from home related stocks. For example, like Zoom or other tech stocks that you know that would affect distance collaboration, right? We had of Slack last year, which was bought over, and so you want to look at those stocks. For example, Cloudflare, which also, you know, kind of provides security in terms of collaboration when people work from home. So I've given some nuggets there, some stocks you should look out for. So you want to look out for those stocks, right, and keep an eye on them. And I'm very sure that there will be some other new ones, smaller ones, that will come up during the year, right? Because we might think COVID-19 would reduce. Yes, it will reduce as more vaccines are being introduced into the market. But the thing is, both the employers and the employees, they've tasted what is good about working from home. And I don't see the world going back to that same level of not working from home that we started with in 2020. So I guess a lot more companies will be more relaxed about remote working and working from home. And that also talks about gig economy. All right, that's that for the fourth trend that you should look out for. And the other trend that you should look out for would be the trend about uncertainty. You know, uncertainty is something that you have to keep an eye on when you talk about investing, because nobody guarantees you tomorrow. So you don't want to panic, and the only way that you can really combat uncertainty is to, you know, have a long-term view towards investing. Okay, have a long-term view towards investing. All right, and that is what I would say about the 5 trends out there that you should look out for based on my research in 2021. Okay, so before I leave this particular discussion, what is your own trend, or what is that particular trend that you think I should have mentioned, I didn't mention, or you think that you would definitely look out for in 2021 regarding your investment? Don't forget to just drop it in the comment section. I will pick it up as usual and we can discuss it further. All right, guys, I will see you in my other videos. Don't go away. And also don't forget, I have another video where I discussed about the different, you know, investment portfolios or different investment channels you could invest on. The video is here. Just click on it, and I will see you in the next video. Don't go away. Stay on this channel. Bye bye.